Hi everyone, this is Bhaskar. Today class we are going to see about the heat engine sum. A reversible heat engine operates between source at 800 degrees centigrade and sink at 30 degrees centigrade. What is the rate of heat rejection per kilowatt network output of the engine? Okay. So a heat engine operating between a source and sink. In that source temperature we taken as a T1. The T1 value is 800 degrees centigrade and the sink temperature is a T2, that is a 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, the T1 value always high and the T2 value is always low. That means the source temperature always high value and the sink temperature always low value. And one more thing, the centigrade we need to convert into Kelvin, so the conversion is plus 273. Okay, so we can get 1073 Kelvin. Okay, similarly 30 degrees centigrade I want to convert into Kelvin, so 30 plus 273, so we can get 303 Kelvin. Okay, next they given work. Okay, so here the work W is taken as a 1 kilowatt because of here they given as a per kilowatt net work output, so that indicate W equal to 1 kilowatt. Per kilowatt means it is a 1 kilowatt. Okay, so they asking heat rejection. Okay, that means Q. Okay, so next we are going to solve the numerical sum. Okay, so next we are going to see about the solution. So we know the basic formula for the heat engine. Okay, efficiency for the heat engine equal to higher temperature minus lower temperature by higher temperature. This is a formula. So here the temperature need to substitute in terms of Kelvin. So 1073 minus 303 divided by 1073. So from that we can get the heat engine efficiency. Okay. So we can get the value of 71.76%. Okay, so we got the heat engine efficiency, and we know that one more formula. So this is a efficiency formula in terms of Carnot. Okay, Carnot is nothing but in terms of temperature based. So next the actual cycle efficiency equal to output by input, it is nothing but work by W by heat supply. Okay, so from that we are assuming actual efficiency equal to theoretical efficiency, so that value is a 0.7176 equal to W value given as a 1 kilowatt divided by heat supply. Okay, so here also the Kelvin we need to convert into basic unit, so 1 into 10 power 3 watt, that means 1 kilo means 10 power 3. Okay, so here also 1 into 10 power 3, so from that we can get the amount of heat supplied to the engine. So 0.7176 into divided by if you want the QS you need to convert, so 1 into 10 power 3 divided by 0.7176. From that we can get the heat supplied in terms of watt. So you can get the value of 1.393. Okay, so press ENG button. So 1.393 into 10 power 3 watt. Okay, next our ultimate aim, we need to find the heat rejection. So we know that one more formula, work done equal to amount difference between heat supply minus heat rejection. So from that work transfer value is given as a 1 kilowatt, so it is nothing but 1 into 10 power 3 equal to the heat supply value we just found, 1.393 into 10 power 3 minus heat rejection. Okay, so from that we can get the heat rejection, we can get the QR. Okay. So you can get the value of 393 watt. So this is a final answer. Thank you.